Not only a general and a president, it's a model home here in Del Webb. If you are looking at moving into this model home or others, or if you're moving out, or if you're in it, you just want a house repainted and you want a price for how much that's going to cost, this video is for you. So let's stick around. I'm going to give you per room what it includes, final price. So grant, this is the grant. It's about 2,200 square feet. We are doing 2 coats of paint on all the walls and trim that we're doing. Ceilings typically are 1 coat. We are giving you a free paint upgrade to Emerald paint. Part of Sherwin-Williams, they help us, so we're giving it right back to you. Typically use duration, but if you had the option, take it. Emerald's a great paint. We give you a free designer. They come to your house with colors, and they just kind of go through what furniture you have. If you're selling, they'll kind of go through what's working, what's selling to help the house sell a bit faster, kind of a staging type of a thing. If you have paint in your house, we will get rid of all your old paint. If you're repainting, we'll get rid of that old paint. So that way there's no more question of what color's what. We're going to number them all, and all the paint we'll get rid of that you're no longer using. Lifetime warranty, whatever we can't cover, Sherwin-Williams does. So they do a great job with their warranty. We love Sherwin-Williams because of that. 1-year touch-ups. If you're moving into a house, even if you're moving out, we'll paint and do. If you're moving out, hopefully we'll paint when you moved out. That way it looks really clean for the people buying. But if moving in, we'll paint the house before you move in and just come in and do touch-ups. We're usually there for about an hour using the paint that we have. Again, 2 coats of paint for everything. And I'll just go through per room. So per room, we have the great room, which is about $900 to $1,300. The dining room, $450 to $700. Kitchen, $600 to $900. The nook, $300 to $450. Excuse me, $300 to $450. Master bedroom, $550 to $850. Bedroom 2 is $375 to $600. The den is $400 to $650. The foyer is $450 to $750. Living room, $200 to $400, depends on what we're doing in there and where the wall is, the configuration. And then the baths, it depends on the size of the bathroom, but you can average is about $200 to $350. Those are for, just regular smaller powder rooms, or just the bathroom just have a little shower in it. So those are averages per room as far, and again, depends what you're getting done. If we're just doing walls, doing walls and ceilings, wall ceiling base, wall ceiling doors, wall ceiling, whatever. Small closets are included, but everything else gets added or subtracted depending on what you want done. For this model, 4 to 6 days is what you can expect a 2-man crew to be there. If we're doing 1 room, usually it's a day that we have a crew there, depending on the size. Like the great room, it's 2 people for a day. Smaller rooms where we have 1 man there, and they're there again for the day. And then total price, give or take, again with options, but you can figure around $6,500 to $8,700 is a good ballpark. This will be in a blog post. If you have questions, you can leave in comments below. Let us know what you think of videos like this, if it helps, doesn't help, and we look forward to seeing how we can help you with your painting. You guys have a blessed day. God bless.